Hello guys, just thought I'd show you this. I acquired this from a guy in Italy and it's a, if I can lift it up, 64G. But the difference between this one and the one I've got is this one has a green LED. Now the ones that were sold in Germany had red LEDs and this one has a green LED. And I've seen other videos with the green LED, so I presume the green LED was sold with the 64G in other countries, like Italy. But I've got it, and I'm just trying it out. So I've put my Easy Flash 3 in. So there we go. It's a great looking picture. And we'll just run through a couple of diagnostics. So we'll do B. And we'll do some diagnostics. So won't do the dead test because we know it's not dead. Right, now I might put the the Dr. 64 cartridge in. Let's see, this one's a different one. Right, let me put the Doctor cartridge in. Let me just see what it's like. Won't be a sec. Right, I've put the Doctor cartridge in. Here we go. So we'll test the keyboard out. So far so good. Won't test the joystick. So everything's okay. Right, put the other cartridge back in. Here we go. Old school. I've done my own. Oh, my screen cable's playing up again. Stop it. There we go. Oop. Stop it. That's it. As you can see, Old Schooler presents the C64, my own very own kernel. And I'm going to show you how to do this in a later video. It was just something that I was trying out because someone asked me if you could personalize your 64, and you can do by just modifying the kernel. So this kernel here, the 8, is just the normal kernel, but all I've done is change the startup screen. And I'll show you how to do that in a later video. Anyway, let's see how this thing plays in terms of music. Oops. SID player. There we go. So we'll just pick one. And look at the picture. Isn't that a great picture? Right. Let's switch her off. This is now going to be my play machine. I love the G. I like the look of it. This is going to be the one I'm going to be playing on with the 64C that I've got. So you'll be seeing a lot more of this when we're doing testing and stuff like that, especially with the 64Z. Problem is, I've got to change the power supply because it needs an adapter, so I'm going to have to stick a plug on it, a proper plug. Alright? Right, well, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.